In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Dropbox. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign into your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the sign document you want to connect with Dropbox and click Edit. In the document editor, click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left-hand menu. Use the search bar to find Dropbox, then select the Dropbox integration from the results. Click Authenticate and sign in to your Dropbox account if prompted. Grant Jotform permission to access your Dropbox storage. Once the connection is complete, you can enable Create a subfolder for each submission if you'd like every signed document to be stored in its own folder. You can also configure folder naming options based on your document fields if needed. After you've finished configuring the integration, click Save. From now on, every completed Jotform Sign document will automatically be saved to your connected Dropbox account. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with Dropbox. Thanks for watching.